Manfred. I'm the chef here at the Smart for Life. This is my lab right here, and we have formulated today. I want to show you a great formula, something that we can do at home again. But you know, what has gotten lost is the pizza crust making, the bread making at home. Everybody's at home with their kids, you know, and playing on their iPhones. I want to take that away a little bit and get back into the kitchen and, you know, and say, hey, let's make our own pizza dough from scratch. But not only we're going to make our own, but we're going to also, I have added this formula to make it really, really simple for you. All you need to do is simply add water and a little bit of olive oil and you are done. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how this is made, and it's very, very simple. We have created this mix right here. Like I said, I have everything formulated already in there, and it has your yeast in there, it has your salt in there, it has LeptiCore, it has some awesome functional ingredients in there, and that's really what we want to do. We want to bring back bread that is healthy for you and also a lot of fun to make at home. So Dr. Sass is not right here with me, but he has formulated this to make this an amazing formula for you. So we're going to be launching this bag right here actually in about 2 weeks, and it's going to be so easy. All you have to do is take about two and a half cups of this flour to a cup of water, half a cup of water, and a little bit of oil, and you have a great dough. We're going to have the recipes on the bag for you, and it's going to be fantastic. So let me show you how this is done really easy. So this is, like I said, about 2 1/4 cups of our special blend that will be sold like in a kilo. And excuse my hat today, I'm not wearing it because I'm going to eat this all myself. So that's what we have right now, and we're going to add a half a cup of water to it, just like that, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you can really put a lot of other ingredients in there too, such as herbs or a little bit of tomato paste in there to get some different flavors. And what we want to do is, I like to mix everything by hand, but I use a glove, or you can use a wooden spoon. But it's so easy that all you got to do is mix it together by hand very quickly. Look how fast this comes together. And you could use this not only for a pizza crust, but you can use this for a bread dough. You could use this for so many different things that you can make at home. Once the dough comes together like this, you give it a couple of good kneads, and as to clean up the ball, you want to see it as just like, you want to knead it a little bit. And once you have it all and it cleans up the bowl really nice, it can, you have to let it ferment. And that's really where your flavor comes in. You know, so look how easy this was. This was like 1 minute. I don't even have any dishes, and it's like super clean, and I have a dough in my hand. So what you want to do is kind of turn it on, put it on your tabletop, give it a couple of kneads with your hand, kind of like the way I'm doing it here. Whole table is moving with it, and that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of soften this up a little bit, make a round ball, and then we're going to let it rest for good. I actually have a finished dough that I'm going to show you in a second. Just like this. And we're going to have some nice pizza, or even a baguette. You can make a French baguette out of this. Various different things. All right, so we're going to take this. This is what the finished dough will look like. I like to take this and place this into the bag. Seal it, flatten it out a little bit, and then what you simply can do is put this into the refrigerator for like maybe like 2-3 hours. And then after 2-3 hours, you pull this out and you have a ready-made dough. Easy, easy pleasy, and everybody can do it at home. And it smells so good from the yeast. It has nicely fermented. And with this, basically take a little flour on the table, and I have to use no glove at this point, and you're going to flatten this out and we can put a nice sauce on there right now to make the pizza. I like to just go around the edge a little bit. See my, and then what you can do is you can stretch it out, just like that. And you can even do the toss with the kids. Throw up the pizza, pull it up, and again, until it's nice and loose. And look at this, how beautiful of a pizza crust you have. How fast was that? And again, the benefits of having this is like 1, 2, 3. That's it. I'll see you next time for the next tips on some more bread.